This session we're going to look at the context as it relates to workspaces as part of the EPM 10 Planning Consolidation release. So here we have our start page, and we're going to open up a favorite that we've saved for a workspace around sales planning. And it's going to be a very simple workspace that we've created. We could have also launched a workspace from our content library, or we could have created a new workspace. But for this example, we're going to open up an existing workspace, and we can now create a new report, and we're going to demonstrate how context is used within the workspace. So a workspace is really a way to organize different views of your data. So this can be by role. So if you have different role that touch different application areas such as finance, HR, planning, sales, that could all be included as different views. So you could quickly go through your different views and look at how the information in your corporation is affecting your role and make you more efficient in making decisions that way. Or we can use workspaces to cover an entire business process, such as our sales planning process. So these may be processes that are owned, strictly by one person, or it could be distributed to, many people as well, based on their piece of an overall process. So certainly not a replacement for business process flows, but really intended to kind of augment that and allow people to see, key information as it relates to their job and role in the company. So here we have a simple workspace looking at sales planning, and we have one report that we've added. So we're going to quickly add another report. We could add content as well that's already been developed, but it's just as easy to create a new report. So we're going to create a report having customer, and then we'll add time into our report as well. So looking at context here, we see that the values are all gray, meaning that we're taking the context from our global view. So you'll see that our context will match the overview. We look at our sales by product, we see some of the context is in white, meaning we've chosen to ride some of the context values. And we look at the overview, we can see the overall context for our workspace. So what I'd like to demonstrate is just changing the time period here. We have it set for 2010. We're going to change it to 2009. What I expect is our sales by product, where we've specifically set this for Q1 2010. That'll remain the same, which it did. And you'll see that our new report, where we haven't specified a unique context, is now changed to 2009. And why this is important is that it allows us to very easily change the overall context for our workspace and then have that ripple through the various views, making it easier for you to find key information according to your role